So what I did here is I opened all three softwares, RS Links Classic Lite, RS Logix Emulate 500, and RS Logix Micro Starter Lite. So you open up RS Logix Micro Starter Lite and you click on the file and open it for a new file. Same step as the first homework. You want to configure your settings on here on IO configuration. Make sure you have a 16 input and 16 output, and the same for your channel configuration. You want to make sure you have all your parameters right. So then you go on to adding a rung and adding a branch to it, and here we have our first input, which is an on switch, our second input, which is part switch, and our first output, which is spray paint. And then here in our branch we have a paint empty input, which is our third input, and a conveyor stop input, which is our fourth, and our operator alarm, which is our second output. So after finishing, you want to compile it, which has already been compiled, so just recompile it again. After compiling it, you want to go and download this. And you see our little ladder here is now spinning. So we want to go in here and run it. Okay, so now we have our program running, and if we toggle this input here, you see nothing happens. But if we toggle this one, you see we have an output out here. That's because there's an AND logic. Now here, if we toggle this bit or toggle the other one, you'll see our output is on. So this is an OR logic here. This is pretty much it for this homework.